Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. This is Brad and today we're taking a look at the iPhone 13 Pro Max in gold. So let's dig in. Certainly a different unboxing experience, but I do like the texture of the stickers. It's a gorgeous color. I guess that's it. Let's delve in. Colors are certainly stunning. Nope. No headphone jack. And of course a lightning port. Well, the boys at Cupertino made another stunning masterpiece. I wish this was a fingerprint scanner though. And there's plenty of room for the percentage. With a much heftier design. Feels a lot more robust this year though. It's huge and it's heavy. But its both sides are stunning however you